My name is Bonnie with MasterCraft Cabinets, and we're in Traverse City, Michigan at the Pedego Electric Bike store. This electric bike store is the largest in their franchise. The owners, Pam and Dan Marsh, had a great vision of what they wanted to do here, of displaying the bikes, adding the grass so it felt like you're outside. So they had this large wall of 11 foot 6 by almost 30 feet long that they wanted to do Slatwall on. I wanted to make it special, and I had seen an advertisement on this Updatable graphics. Did a little research on it, presented it to the client, and they were thrilled with the idea. In researching the windmill product, the core, which they refer to as AnchorCore, stronger than your basic Slatwall, and I felt that that was an important component for hanging heavier things off of. Well, to make this large wall work, I had to work closely with Windmill and the graphic designers to get a picture that would work because it was so large. As it came together, it was like, wow. I think having an updatable graphic is a great concept. To have the opportunity to change out for the seasons or promotion, I think it's a great marketing idea. After working with the Updatable Slatwall, I would absolutely do it again.
Let's take a closer look. Windmill's Updatable graphic system can be updated in minutes. This innovative system incorporates three main components: a Windmill Slatwall panel designed to accept Windmill's proprietary graphic certs, the graphic certs, and the graphic strips. Seasonal and promotional merchandising has never been easier. Simply supply Windmill with your image, logo, or scene, and we'll take it from there. When the time is right to change the look of the panel, contact Windmill to order your next set of graphics. Visit our website for additional information or call 1-800-548-7528 to speak to an expert project manager.